we are breaking new ground in the state of Andhra Pradesh. It is a great privilege to stand before you today at this momentous occasion, the groundbreaking ceremony of LG Electronics state-of-the-art facility here in Sri City, Andhra Pradesh. I extend a very warm welcome to the leadership of LG Electronics, India and global, and its vendor companies to our state. Today marks more than just the beginning of a construction project. It is a defining milestone in the journey of industrial growth and technological advancement for our state and for our nation. Where innovation meets investment, the future is taking shape. With an investment exceeding 5,000 crores, LG Electronics is not only bringing a world-class manufacturing unit to Andhra Pradesh, but is also reaffirming global confidence in our state as a premier investment destination. We are really excited to deliver a product made in Andhra Pradesh, made for the world. This project is one of the first major foreign direct investment under the new government. The people of Andhra Pradesh gave us a resounding mandate. It's a history that we created in the last election. 94% of the seats that we contested, we won. And the clear mandate was about creating jobs. And we believe that this investment is in the step in that direction. This also reflects our leader, Mr. Naidu's commitment to speed of doing business, robust infrastructure, a future-focused vision of Andhra Pradesh. We promised ease of doing business, and today we are delivering speed of doing business. The LG factory will produce advanced home appliances, refrigerators, air conditioners, and washing machines, integrating the latest in smart and energy-efficient technology. A smart factory, a smarter state, a smarter India. That journey is beginning here today. This isn't just about manufacturing. It's about shaping the future of living. It's about creating jobs, empowering our youth, and transforming lives. We are not just building factories, we are building futures here. This facility alone will create nearly 1,500 direct jobs, and with LG's key vendors investing here, creating more than 700 jobs, will impact our economy and will create a lot of jobs for the locals. This is more than a company's groundbreaking. It is a groundbreaking movement for the youth of Andhra Pradesh. I would like to especially recognize the 4 key vendor partners of LG who are here: Ekoria and Kuroda Electric, Hengsung India, Kyungsung Precision, and Taisung Electronics, who are establishing high-tech units that will further strengthen LG's supply chain and reduce import dependence. The power of partnership is the passport to progress, and we in Andhra Pradesh believe in the power of ecosystem. Their presence demonstrates the power of collaborative growth and shared vision. It also shows the world how Andhra is positioning itself as a global electronics manufacturing ecosystem. When global giant meets Andhra Pradesh's ambition, magic will happen. And with this factory of LG coming up, we will be supplying 70% of domestic air conditioning for our great nation. Together, LG and its partners are bringing cutting-edge technologies like AI-driven manufacturing, smart production processes, and energy-efficient systems to Indian soil, advancing our ambition of becoming a global hub for electronics manufacturing. This project gels very well with our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's vision of Make in India. Sri City has become a beacon of industrial progress. With projects like this, we are building more than factories. We are building futures, creating smart jobs, and writing a new chapter in the economic story of Andhra Pradesh. On behalf of Government of Andhra Pradesh, I assure you of our continued support at every stage of this project, from land acquisition, construction to full-scale production, Andhra Pradesh government is a